Dude, there's baby birds in the Snorkel from the FJ60. Well, as you saw last night, in the Snorkel I just picked up for this lovely truck right here, there are 4 baby birds. One of them squealing like crazy, and the other ones are just right here, hanging out. I don't know what to do. I'm trying to save them. They keep flying away. Got 2 of them. Let's go rescue the other ones. Come on, guy. Come on. Come on. All right, here's the update. They had their own little nest in a Rock Auto box. Called my buddy Mike, and we're gonna take the birds back to the farm that we got them off of, where the part was sitting, and hopefully their mom will come back. That's our plan. From the Fender to the FJ62. Taking off the quarter so we can get it ready, put on the new one. Man, there's so many bolts on that thing. Jeez, stupid electric antenna. It's 90 degrees out here. It's hot. I'm melting like a popsicle. We got a couple things going on the FJ62 today. We're working on putting the Snorkel on, giving some blue paint to these fenders, and then I went ahead and picked up this roof rack, full roof rack, for about 40 bucks on Craigslist yesterday. And I'm working on just cutting some of this stuff off and make it fit a little better. So I test fitted it, should be the complete top of the truck, and I think it's gonna be a great addition to it. So I gotta finish up some paint, cutting this last thing off, and then we'll go ahead and put it on. We got a light little paint here on the fender. It's a different color blue, but I'd rather it be blue with the Snorkel. Got a couple things all buttoned up. Got the blue panel on and secure. I got the marker light working, the blinkers working, and then I'm gonna go ahead and paint this fender, which is all primered up and ready for some paint, and then see what it looks like after that. All right, I think I'm finished for the day. Got a new bull bar on this guy. It was for a 60. I cut off these little fins that were on there, but I think it makes it look a lot better. And then the Snorkel there. So I'm pretty excited. I just met this girl yesterday in Leesburg in town, getting a couple drinks. She told me she had an FJ40 and she said, I can't get it started. But look what I did. Simple maintenance, got it started, running, and we're gonna go take it for a test drive. Thing's awesome.